Hi everyone, welcome to Unbox Bleeds. I'm glad you are here. Today I will be reviewing the Tecware Spectre 96. This video is not sponsored by Tecware, so you can trust that everything I share is my honest opinion. In this video, I will cover the unboxing, features and specifications, typing sound test and experience, and lastly, whether you should buy it. Let's get started. First up, the unboxing. Tecware is pretty generous with what they include in the box. A keycap puller, USB-A to USB-C cable, a few extra switches, and of course, the keyboard itself. Everything was neatly packed, and the build quality looks solid right out of the box. The Spectre 96 is a 96% layout keyboard, which means you get a number pad while still keeping a compact footprint. There's also a 75% version if you prefer something even smaller. You can choose between brown and red switches. I went with browns for the tactile feel. It supports 3 connectivity modes, wired via USB-C, 2.4 GHz and the Bluetooth. One standout feature is the knob at the top right corner. You can use it to control volume or navigate the screen. Let's turn on the keyboard together for the first time. When it starts up, you are greeted with a customizable GIF on a built-in screen. You can tweak this using their software, which is available on their website. The screen lets you view the date and time, check battery percentage, see your current connection mode, configure RGB lighting, adjust screen brightness and volume, and of course there are many more you can do with this screen. You can even monitor your CPU and GPU usage. You will need to install the software to enable this feature. Now here is a quick sound test of this keyboard. For the typing test, personally, I had a great experience. I did make a few mistakes, but I believe it's because I'm not used to the keyboard and it has nothing to do with the keyboard itself. After a few attempts, I managed to hit 100 words per minute, which is actually my personal best. So, should you buy the Tecware Spectre? If you have never owned a mechanical keyboard or you are looking for an affordable wireless option, I would definitely recommend it. I bought it because I wanted a wireless mechanical keyboard and the mini display, which adds a fun and functional touch. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. I also do YouTube shorts where I open Pokemon cards, so check those out too. And if there's something you would like me to unbox and review, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, this is Unbox Bleeds signing off.